The 2.3-liter turbo EcoBoost engine in the new Ford Ranger provides decent power and actually makes these trucks relatively quick. The problem is you can't hear them as the factory exhaust is extremely quiet. So today we're going to upgrade the exhaust on this 2019 Ranger with an aftermarket system from Borla. This Borla dual side exit exhaust system will fit your 2019 through 2020 Ford Ranger. Features mandrel bent T304 stainless steel pipes, the Borla S-Type muffler, and your choice of 4-inch black chrome or polished tips. All necessary hardware for installation is included. I'll give you some sound clips of the before exhaust as well. Now this Ranger does have an aftermarket tip, but the exhaust is stock. Now, the first thing you want to do, obviously, get the truck off the ground. We're going to remove the factory exhaust system. It's held on by 3 hangers and 1 clamp, which is located right up front. And now we're going to remove the front hanger. Slide the entire exhaust now as forward as possible, hold the pipe, and use a mallet to separate the front and rear pipe. Carefully lift the exhaust over the axle. Now we're going to use a pole jack here to support the front pipe. So our Borla S-Type is going to install the same way the factory one came off. So we're going to make it one full assembly on the ground and then put it up into place. Grab both hangers now off the factory exhaust, move them over as well. And now we're going to fish the exhaust up into place. Put the factory hanger, slide the clamp on the front pipe, push them together. And slide both of the hangers on. Get everything hanging, now we can tighten the front clamp. The design of the Borla system basically makes it go into place for you, but go back through, make sure it's completely seated on the hangers and everything's tight. All right, once the hangers are in place and bolts are all tight, your installation's finished. Now we're gonna give you some sound clips with our Borla exhaust installed. Just for the the look of the tips alone, the Borla would be a worthwhile upgrade, but between the mandrel bent pipes and straight through muffler, you should see some horsepower out of it as well. And the sound is nice, it's much deeper tone than the factory, which is nice to find on the EcoBoost, and you get a little crackle and pop when you get off it as well. The installation is pretty straightforward, give yourself about an hour to an hour and a half, you'll be back on the road in no time.